Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to block the number of your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus if you don't want from calling or messaging from the number. Just call to someone, recent call, and when you have your call, just press and hold it. Tap it and go to the information of this number, and you have a block here, and your number is now blocked, never call you again. If you want to unblock it, just go to E and unblock here, and you can contact with this number. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.